It is Stephanie Deeds, your favorite realtor here at the Deeds Group at RE/MAX, and I have got your monthly market update for the month of November. What month are we in? This is October, and we're in November monthly market update for October. We're looking at 2020 versus 2021. So, pretty much I'm going to say the same thing to you that I have been saying for months and months and months and months, and that is that prices are up. Days on market are down, number of homes for sale is down, and number of closed sales is down. So that is all good news for home sellers, and it's not terrible news for home purchasers either. So from 2020 to 2021, if you look at this data that we have for you in the comment section, in Tarrant County, we went from an average purchase price of $328 to $372. That is unbelievable, but also it is just really, really good news for those of you who own property. The thing I want you to keep in mind is if you are looking to purchase property, that it's probably better to do it sooner rather than later. There's a lot of people who are kind of sitting on the fence saying, you know what, I think I'm going to wait until next year because the market's going to crash. That's not happening from what we can tell, all the economic forecasting that we've been looking at. So I do believe that prices will continue to increase. And there's, of course, a lot of talk about what's going to happen with interest rates. And nobody is really sure. But if prices go up and interest rates also go up, then your affordability is going to go down. So I absolutely think that it is still a great time to purchase because we are still in a really solid market. The number of homes closed in the month of October this year versus last year, it is down, and it is down because there is less inventory. I think that there's a lot more people out there who want to purchase. They just have not found what they want or been able to get it under contract or whatever the thing may be. But that relates directly to the fact that there are fewer homes for sale. We have about 2/3 of the inventory right now that we had last year. So it's like good news, bad news. The good news is that we've got more inventory from a percentage perspective than we did earlier this year. We earlier this year had 50% of the inventory we had last year. So we're starting to see inventory correct itself a little bit, but it is still very low. And then average days on market, of course. I mean, when you're looking at a full county-wide days on market and the number is 19 days on market, that's crazy. It is crazy because there are homes that sit for 100 days, 200 days, or however long. So the fact that the average is 19 means that there's a whole lot of them that are selling in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days. So very interesting information here. Take a look at it. Let me know if you have questions, if there's any additional information we can offer for you, if you'd like specific information about your home, if there is anything at all we can do for you here at the Deeds Group. And I will just tell you to have a fantastic weekend. Thank you so very much.